If you're feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, ancient acupressure techniques might offer the relief you're looking for. By pressing specific points on your body, you can calm your mind and reduce the physical tension that accompanies anxiety. In the screen, you'll discover 4 powerful acupoints that are simple to locate and press, helping you find balance within minutes. Now, let's dive into the details. You can use your fingers as a scale to locate the acupoints. Point 1. Inner pass. Acupoint, located 2 inches above the middle of the wrist. When you feel palpitations, insomnia, tension, or stress, press firmly with your thumb to relieve these feelings. Point 2. 100 meetings. Acupoint relieves headaches and dizziness caused by pressure and helps promote relaxation. Point 3. God Gate Acupoint helps with calming the mind, relieving anxiety, clearing heat, and improving sleep quality. Point 4. Hall of Impression Acupoint. Pressing this acupoint can help soothe emotional tension. Point 5. Bubbling Spring Acupoint helps calm the mind, relieve stress, and promote tranquility and energy regulation. Pressing each of the acupoint no more than 3 minutes and 2 to 3 times a day, you will get the results. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.